Hi everyone, and welcome to today's YouTube creations. Now I'm going to be announcing a very special offer that Trinity Stamps will be having over the Black Friday weekend. This 3x4 Snowflake Kisses stamp set comes free with every order over $60 or more. So this is while stocks and supplies last. Now this stamp set won't be available for purchase and you can only get it this weekend. So it's this beautiful stamp set. It's absolutely gorgeous. It's large, it's 3x4 and it's great for your projects. So I'm going to be creating 2 cards because we'll be heat embossing it twice. First we're going to be heat embossing it on white cardstock, then we're also going to be heat embossing it on black cardstock. We're going to cut it into strips and we're going to play with a little bit. So I'm pressing down firmly, almost looks like I'm performing CPR on this stamp set, the poor stamp set. And what we're going to be doing is using 2 different colors. So here I have got the Florida Sunset. It's beautiful, vibrant pink with some gold speckles and glitter in it. It's absolutely stunning. And I'm going to be stamping the gold embossing on blacks because it ties in with having the gold flecks here with this embossing glitter. So once I've heat set that, now I'm going to be giving you a little tip when it comes to heat embossing with the embossing glitters. Have the heat setting on hot and also heat set from behind. This keeps the glitter intact and doesn't blow that excess glitter away. Once heat set, the bright pink really melts into the cardstock and the gold really comes to fruition. The glitter right to the surface and it looks stunning. Now once I've heat set this, both of them I'm going to cut them into strips. I'm going to show you the metallic rich gold in pale super fine. You'll see it here. Now don't forget, with this stamp set, we're providing lots of inspiration on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and the blog all weekend. So come and see us over on the blog and YouTube, and you're going to see so much inspiration. It's going to be beautiful. Okay, that was just a little plug. Sorry, my bad. Now, part of this embossing powder, I'm able to heat set it on my glass mat. Which was perfect because I didn't have to feel like I held it this time. So now I've done a white and blue glitter here on another card. I just wanted to show you the strips and how the layout of this card's going to be. So I'm going to be using some Catherine Puller inks. It's a Girl, Flirty Fuchsia. Then I'm going to bring in almost like it's an orange, which is called Tutti Frutti, just to give that kind of matching coordination with the embossing glitter. So I add the first layer of ink of It's a Girl. I'm going to ink quite heavily. This is my first layer of ink, and then I'm going to add the second layer of ink. Because I'm working with 2 panels, you can see how you can get easily 2 cards out of one. And what I'm going to do is just really heavily coat this. Coat, lots of ink blending, then working into my second one. Oh, sorry, it wasn't. It was Be Mine. This pink matches quite well with the embossing glitter. So just doing more the outside of these. And what I'm going to do is this white cardstock panel is going to be covered heavily in ink, and then it's also going to be mounted on black cardstock. So here's the Tutti Frutti, adding just some orange elements to it. I will work my way back with the Be Mine and just pretty much help blend that just to be a little bit more seamless with the blending. And here I am. I didn't want to lose that really bright pink component. So once I was happy with that, working triple speed now, so I don't have to bore you with all this ink blending. I've got the Lawn Fawn Yeti. Now I've just got this dotted background stencil, and I'm not even going to adhere it. I just felt a little bit courageous, I think. And I didn't even secure it down with some washi tape. Oh well. I did all right actually, so I made sure I was obviously holding down pretty well. And then once I've done this again on both panels, I'm going to use 2 different types of stencils, which feel, to me, it's almost a very layered mixed media style for me, as well as mixed media as I get, really. I'm not really good with layering. It's kind of not my area of expertise, but I gave it a go. I hope you liked today's cards anyway. All right, so I've got this stencil here, and I've got my Kaiser Craft iridescent white spritzer, and I'm just going to add a layer of stars, and then it just adds this little shimmery glimmer to the overall card, and I'm going to heat set that. Now I'm going to do both panels again. Here I have the strips already cut out, and I'm going to use the sequins from Trinity Stamps here, and I'm going to peel off the adhesive backing and adhere them all down. And this is the overall layout of the card. So I've got some multimedia mat there. I've squirted some on the actual glass mat, and then I'm just slowly picking it up with my tweezers and dipping my sequins in there. And I'm kind of just playing around here with the sequins, and there's really no particular method to the placement. I know there is certain rules with sequins of, odd numbers and triangles. I just went with how I feel today. Just having one of those moments. All right, so once I've adhered that down, you can see there, that's the layout. And I just work then on the second card and bring it in. There you go. I hope you liked today's card creation. I created a blue version as well, which I'll also bring into screen, but I hope you like it. Don't forget to participate in and be part of the sales. It's just a big sale that's happening for the Black Friday weekend. So thanks for watching. Can't wait to see your comments and hear from you. See you later.